Are you constantly feeling like there aren't enough hours in the day, struggling to meet deadlines and juggle multiple tasks? What if I told you that mastering time management is easier than you think? Today, we're going to share 5 simple techniques that can transform the way you manage your time and boost your productivity. Welcome to the Knowledge Vault, your go-to channel for learning life-changing skills and practical solutions. If you want to unlock the secrets of better living, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Let's dive in. 1. The Eisenhower Matrix. The Eisenhower Matrix helps you prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. Divide your tasks into 4 categories. 1. Urgent and important. Do it now. 2. Important but not urgent. Schedule it. 3. Urgent but not important. Delegate it. 4. Neither urgent nor important. Eliminate it. 2. The Pomodoro Technique. This technique involves breaking your work into 25-minute intervals called Pomodoros, followed by a 5-minute break. After completing 4 Pomodoros, take a longer 15 to 30-minute break. Example: set a timer for 25 minutes and work on a single task. When the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break. This keeps your mind fresh and prevents burnout while improving focus. 3. Time blocking. Time blocking is when you schedule your day by assigning specific blocks of time to different activities. Treat these blocks like appointments you can't miss. Example: in the morning, block 9 to 10 a.m. for focused work, 10 to 10:30 a.m. for emails, and 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. for meetings. By pre-assigning your time, you minimize distractions and stick to a plan. 4. The 2-minute rule. This rule is simple. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately instead of postponing it. Example: replying to a short email, organizing your desk, or filing a document are tasks that can be completed quickly. Finishing them right away prevents small tasks from piling up. 5. Reflect and plan. At the end of each day, spend 10 minutes reflecting on what you accomplished and plan your tasks for tomorrow. Example: write down your top 3 priorities for the next day. This gives you clarity and direction, ensuring you start the day with purpose. Let's quickly recap the 5 techniques. 1. Prioritize tasks with the Eisenhower Matrix. 2. Stay focused with the Pomodoro Technique. 3. Schedule your day using time blocking. 4. Handle small tasks immediately with the 2-minute rule. 5. Reflect on your progress and plan ahead. Remember, time management isn't about doing everything. It's about doing the right things at the right time. These techniques are tools to help you take control of your day, instead of letting your day control you. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Vault. Let us know in the comments which technique you're excited to try or share your own time management strategies. See you in the next video.